2015 Chevy Traverese. This one's got the P1682. It also says engine reduced power. Feels like it's going on limp mode. What you do is you take off this fuse box cover. You got these two bolts right here. So this fuse box is supposed to be bolted down, but for some reason this bolt right here is if you try to tighten it up, it's just not getting tight. So what you do is you cut up a piece of washer like this one and you slide it underneath like what I did with this. So you loosen this up and slide it in there and then tighten it up just like this one right here. There you go. Then you tighten it up. All right, so now it feels like it's getting tight. So that's what you need to do. This is what a lot of people have been doing to their fuse box in this Chevy Traverse. Try that first before you consider replacing the fuse box. And that's it, guys. This video helped you guys out. Give me a thumbs up. Also click on the subscribe button. Thank you guys for watching.